I've recently had several video requests to show you more of the Gentex Commanders, so today I have every alarm that's in the Gentex Commander series, and I'm going to go through each one of these and show you them. Gentex discontinued their SHG series in the early 2000s, which is this alarm right here, and they came out with the Gentex Commander 1. The exact model of this alarm is HS24-30WR. And if you look on the back of every alarm, they have an information sticker. And what's nice about Gentex alarms is they all tell you the exact date that that alarm was made. So this SHG right here was made in 1999, and this particular Commander right here was made in 2001. There's not a whole lot of features when it comes to the Commander ones. The strobes on all of them are fixed candela, and you can find out their candela rating by the model or by looking on the bottom of it. As you can see, this one is fixed 30 candela. The fire lettering is on the actual body of the alarm and not the trim. And the horn on all these Commander ones sounds just like a smoke alarm. So in order to install this alarm, you would have to take off this Gentex logo right here with a flathead screwdriver. It just kind of pops off like that. And then you'd have to unscrew the alarm from its mounting bracket. So we'll go ahead and do that. Once the screw is out, you can take the alarm off. And as you can see, here is its trim plate, and the trim plate goes on the mounting bracket. So what you'd have to do is you'd have to mount this to the wall, then put the trim plate on, and then do all your wiring, and then you can put the alarm on, and then screw in the screw, and then once you screw in the screw, then you pop the Gentex logo back in. There's definitely a lot of steps for installing this alarm, and Gentex definitely just saw the need to make another version of this alarm. So then the Gentex Commander 2 came out. So this right here is a Gentex GEC24-177WR. This exact one was made in 2006. There is quite a big difference between the Gentex Commander 2 and the Gentex Commander 1. So they changed the horn on this alarm to make it sound like an actual fire alarm and not a smoke alarm, and the Commander 2s are multi-tone. It's a lot easier to install. What you would do is you would first mount it to the wall, then you can do all your wiring, and then all you have to do is slide the alarm in and then put on the trim. As you can see, they made it a lot easier. The fixed candela rating is on the left side. This one is a 177 fixed candela model, which is a very bright strobe. And when it comes to the dip switches, they're used to change the settings and the tones for the horn. And I've noticed there's a couple different versions of the Commander 2. Some of them will have the dip switches on the side, and then the older versions will have the dip switches on the back. I really like how they made a mounting bracket that's not going to break easily. The mounting bracket on my Commander 1 is already cracking. Fire alarms are often installed while the building is being painted, so Gentex solved this problem and came up with a solution to painting around fire alarms that is really nice. All you have to do is snap off the alarm, and then each one of these alarms comes with this little chip right here, and you can plug this chip in, and now the fire alarm control panel won't register any troubles with the alarm, and you can easily paint around it or do any other work around it that you need to do. And when you're done, you can take this chip out and put the alarm back on. I really like that feature. As of today, Gentex is still making and selling Commander 2s. I was able to find Commander 2s on their website. However, they found the need to make a Gentex Commander 3. So out came the Gentex Commander 3. This right here is a Gentex GEC3-24WR. And this particular one was made in 2016. The biggest change that they did was with the candela selection on the strobe. These are now multi-candela, and you can change around the candela setting by just moving this little slide right here. They probably added this to the modern Gentex Commander 2s, but at some point they found that updating the strobe to have these little lines would help project the light a little better, so they made that update. Gentex also created the Commander 4 series. This right here is a Gentex GCC24CR, and this particular one was made in 2005, and this is just a ceiling mount fire alarm. As you can see, the fire lettering can be read from all angles. The strobe flashes in each direction. And it's the same concept as the Commander 2s and the Commander 3s. You can just pop this cover off here. There we go. The cover comes off. You can easily do all your wiring. It has the same chip feature, and then you can slide the alarm in just like that. You can adjust your candela setting with this little slide right here, and if you want to lock your candela setting, you can screw the screw into the lock port. Here's the dip switches for all your horn settings, and then once you're done, just like the others, you can just snap the cover on. Gentex, of course, offers strobe-only versions in their Commander series. This one right here is a Commander 1 strobe, and this right here is a Commander 3 strobe. I don't have a Commander 2 strobe. Gentex also offers special coloring options if you want to use these alarms for non-fire emergencies, and they also do offer a special weatherproof case for the Commander 2s and 3s if you want to mount these alarms outdoors or in special applications. And that's all of the Gentex Commanders. If you want to see all the tones that the Gentex Commander 3 can do, I did make that video a while ago. I can have that linked in the description or in the corner if you want to see it. But I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.